Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you have ever accidentally or purposefully muted someone's Instagram stories and now you're wondering how can you unmute those stories to be able to see them in your Instagram main page, you came to the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me till the very end to make no mistakes. And let's jump right into it. Of course, since we're gonna be using the Instagram app for this process, we need to go to your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using, to simply find Instagram here. Make sure we have the app updated to make sure everything works properly and nothing goes wrong in this process. After that, quit from the store, open Instagram now. You need to be logged into your account, and then first let me show you how did you maybe accidentally muted someone's stories. You need to tap and hold on their specific story and then tap on mute in the bottom. Once you do that, you get this confirmation window, which makes it a little bit hard to do it by accident. So once you're sure, you can tap on mute story, and let me show you how can you unmute this specific person's story. It says that when you go to their profile you can unmute it, but even if you go ahead and open their profile, most likely you will never find an option to unmute these stories from here, because Instagram itself has a category for the muted stories in its settings. So go ahead and open your profile by tapping the profile picture in the bottom right corner right here. And from here you can go to settings by tapping the three lines in the top right corner right there. And then here tap on settings and privacy at the top. Now as you can see guys, there is this category or option that is named muted accounts. Tap on it, and here it is guys at the top, the account that we have just muted their stories. Tap on unmute right next to it, and then toggle off the mute stories option right there, and just like that we have unmuted their stories on Instagram. And that is pretty much it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.